Is your AI career path leading to a dead end? By 2026, generic coding skills won't cut it. How to secure a 200K career in the new AI economy. Let's learn with the Coder Therapist.
Hey, don't worry. I'm right here by your side, ready to help you achieve your dreams.
I know it feels like the ground is shifting beneath your feet. Every day there's a new model, a new tool, and a new fear that AI is going to automate your job. But here is the truth. The gold rush of simply calling an API and building a chatbot is ending. That is the generic path. To become a true software architect in the AI era, you need to go deeper. You need to build the engines, not just drive the car. Today, we are going to explore the contrarian angle. We are going to stop learning generic AI and focus on 3 niche engineering skills that are projected to be in high demand in 2026. LLM Ops, RAG architecture, and human-in-the-loop design. Let's learn and grow together.
First, let's understand why we are making this shift. You might hear people talking about prompt engineering as the job of the future. But think of it this way. In the early 2000s, being good at Google search was considered a special skill. Today, it is just something everyone does. Prompting will become basic literacy, not a high-paying career. To become a software architect in this new world, focus on gaining experience in the systems that surround the AI. The companies paying top dollar in 2026 won't be looking for someone who can write a clever poem with GPT-5. They will be looking for engineers who can make these models reliable, cost-effective, and safe within a corporate environment. You need to really dive into the technical side. It is no longer about just getting an answer. It is about building the factory that produces the answer reliably, millions of times a day. Inside software architecture for AI, the first niche skill we are going to learn is LLM Ops. You can think of LLM Ops as the pit crew for a race car. The AI model is the engine, it's powerful and fast, but without a pit crew to monitor the tires, check the fuel, and analyze the telemetry, that car is going to crash. LLM Ops stands for Large Language Model Operations. It combines DevOps principles with machine learning. Here is what you need to master in this area.
Model evaluation. How do you know if the new version of a model is actually better? You need to build automated testing pipelines that score the AI's answers against a ground truth. Cost monitoring. AI is expensive. An architect needs to track token usage and latency. You need to be the one who says, we can switch to a smaller model here and save 40% without losing quality. Version control for prompts. Just like we track code changes with Git, we need to track how our system prompts evolve over time. Let me show you the explanation along with a diagram to help you understand the workflow.
Think of the LLM Ops layer as the control center. When a user sends a request, it doesn't just go straight to the model. It passes through your control center. You measure how long it takes. You check if the output contains any sensitive data. You log the result for future analysis. If you can build this infrastructure, you become indispensable. You aren't just a coder, you are the guardian of the system's reliability. The second skill is RAG architecture. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. You can think of a standard AI model as a brilliant student taking a test from memory. They know a lot, but they might hallucinate or get specific facts wrong. RAG is like giving that student an open book exam. Before they answer, they are allowed to go look up the specific information in a textbook. To become a software architect in this niche, you need to understand how to build that textbook, which we call a vector database. Inside RAG architecture, we need to focus on practicing these technical details. Data chunking. How do you break down a 100-page PDF so the AI can understand it? Do you split it by paragraph, by sentence? This is a trade-off you must master. Vector embeddings. This is the storage layer where all the data lives. You convert text into numbers so the computer can find related concepts mathematically. Retrieval ranking.
Just because you found some data doesn't mean it's relevant. You need algorithms to rank the best pieces of information to feed the AI. Here's how they work together. When a user asks a question, your system first searches your company's private data. Think of it as a big filing cabinet. It pulls out the most relevant files. Then it sends those files along with the user's question to the AI model. This allows companies to build AI that knows their specific business without training a new model from scratch. This is where the real value is in 2026. The third niche skill is human-in-the-loop design. Many developers think the goal is fully autonomous AI, but in high-stakes industries like healthcare, finance, or law, we cannot rely on a black box 100% of the time. We need a pilot in the cockpit. This skill is about designing the interface where the human and the AI collaborate. You can think of it as the front door of the software. It's not just a chat box, it is a workflow. Focus on practicing feedback mechanisms. How does the user tell the AI it made a mistake? And how does that feedback get saved to improve the system later? Approval workflows. Designing systems where the AI does the heavy lifting, perhaps 80% of the work, and then hands it off to a human for the final 20% verification. Uncertainty routing. Building logic that detects when the AI is unsure. If the confidence score is low, the system should automatically route the task to a human expert instead of guessing.
Improve your problem-solving skills here. You are designing a relationship between man and machine. This requires empathy for the user and a deep understanding of the AI's limitations.
So, to summarize our journey today, don't settle for generic coding. To become a software architect in 2026, get a good grasp of LLM Ops to manage the infrastructure, master RAG architecture to connect AI to proprietary data, and refine your human-in-the-loop design skills to build safe, collaborative systems. It might feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to learn it all in one day. Take it one step at a time. Keep learning and stay up to date with the latest industry trends, tools, and best practices. Thanks for watching The Coder Therapist. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Let's learn and grow together.